That will give you a perfect consistent salt. This coffee machine costs you about $35,000. It's a tulip.
So a little bit about me. I am a theatre nurse and I'm also a student pilot.
Yeah.
Alright, are we getting a close up on this? Are you getting content for this? Yes. Sauce is really good. That makes it
Good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna interview one of my customers and we're gonna discuss about food. Oh, she's there. Hi Lee. Hi Joy. How's it going? Good. And welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming. Are you ready to eat? Are you hungry? Okay. Something yummy. And then just give me honest feedback, sometimes.
Lavo smash.
I know you had that before.
No, it's good.
I love that too.
I always love the cauliflower and carrot.
Want to try that too today?
I love it with feta cheese.
Why not?
So that's our favourite.
And some pork on the side and some bacon too. Why not?
Sure. Do you want anything else?
I want do the waffle too. Why not?
Okay, do the waffle.
Because it looks pretty.
Yeah,
That's the colour as well.
exactly. Yeah.
Waffle. Okay, let's do that. Cool.
Choose
And
coffee.
the juice. So coffee for us.
Maybe choose
definitely.
today, huh?
Yeah.
And the barley island.
And the green queen's good too.
Pretty nice and healthy as well for people who might have
Choose you're healthy.
vegan, so green smoothie or something like that.
Green.
Try super fruit smoothie. That is the best. The whole lot.
Oh, yeah. Good.
Latte, some smoothie. Why not? Pick what for you like. Even for breakfast.
Alright, I've
Make the table full of food. Send me broth.
Sorry. Yeah, absolutely.
Send me broth, please. Perfect. Let me place your paper. Okay.
Awesome. Hey guys, this is my mum Joy and I'm Leah. We are at the Surfing Lizard today. It's beautiful weather and we're excited to try out some breakfast stuff and some lovely drinks. So a little bit about me. I am a theatre nurse and I'm also a student pilot along with Mum. Mum loves to do a bit of everything,
I
hey?
do. I come and support you in everything that you do. So, and today, what a perfect day to come and enjoy yummy breakfast with Leah on her day off before she heads out flying for the day.
Yeah,
So,
flying this afternoon. So this is a good start to the day.
we're looking forward to some yummy, delicious, healthy, wholesome food, which
Yes.
is always great here at Surfing Lizard. And we've ordered a few dishes which we're going to try out and test out for you and let you know how we get on.
Yeah.
Oh, latte.
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 You don't have to finish.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have the shakes before my flight today, man.
Oh, you're flying today?
Yeah.
She is flying today.
Good. So you make the flight heavier.
Oh yeah, call me fat. Oh my god.
No.
I'm joking. Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
Latte and
lattes.
Two lattes.
Love our coffee.
Oh mum, how did we find Surfing Lizard? I think you're the one that
I
found
think I
it.
just put it in Google Maps one day and I wanted to head down to the beach and look for a nearest cafe. So up popped Lizard Cafe
Yeah.
and headed out for the day and here
This
we
has
are.
been a-
And we've been coming here for quite a few years now.
Yeah, I've
So
had my
this is-
birthday lunches here. We
21st?
spent actually
Yeah.
Christmas here.
We've done Christmas, we've done...
Well, we've had Christmas here a few years
yeah, we've
in a
had
row.
A few years in a row, we've definitely
So,
had Christmas here a few rows.
We love
yeah.
Surfing Lizard.
It's very busy obviously during Christmas, but hey, atmosphere is great when there's lots of people coming and we're all, excited about eating this food. So
And it's
yeah,
such a nice view too. I mean, you just walk down to the beach.
it's casual, it's friendly, great for kids. Obviously we've got a great park over there for children to come and play. A lovely play area for kids as well. But it's not just for young families, it's also for teenagers and families, grandparents. The staff are amazing here, aren't they?
They've always
been very kind.
you've been flying for how long now?
I started only January this year.
Only January.
actually.
And then you fly by yourself now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yes,
You're doing a good job.
Yes, we love watching it
The
take
end
off.
dream has always been to combine my nursing and flying,
Oh, that's good.
and finally something's come up with that, so I'll actually get to do my dream job soon. So, yeah.
As a pilot? Are you flying a big plane? Or?
No, I'm
Too
just,
small.
those are things that I have to do after.
Yeah. That takes a lot of time, man.
Yeah,
to
and
learn
money.
things.
And money.
Oh yeah, it costs a lot of money too.
The money is the big
I
thing.
swear.
Yeah, it's expensive.
That is the investment.
Absolutely.
Whatever I'm doing now, I
Yeah,
put in a lot of money. That's investment.
Oh,
yeah.
definitely.
And then
Definitely.
hopefully get
keep going,
return.
yeah.
Keep going.
Oh yeah, you have to keep working at it every day.
Every day.
Every day. No breaks.
No break.
No breaks.
No break. Exactly.
And
You
then
know,
one time you will be able to, but
don't
until
have
then,
to. No.
you got to keep
The
going.
good thing is you have money here
Yeah.
Yes.
to hire people.
Yes, that's right.
So
Yes.
I don't really have to do a lot of things, but
Yes.
I have to plan because this is me.
Mm.
This is my business. So I have to plan what content should I put in it. You
Absolutely.
get me? So
Yes.
have to be linked together.
Yes.
Yeah.
And hopefully that one day after I build 15 videos at least,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna tell people, and then like today, you have no idea what's going on,
No.
and then you turn up, you say, oh wow, and now we start eating.
We start eating?
Okay.
Okay, let's start.
Let's start. Here we go, calories. So we are very casual here. So we have this cafe. There's no one serve you too much.
Love
You have to do self-service a lot. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you. This is
Okay,
great.
I'll let Leah cut
Oh,
open the egg.
Alright, are we getting a close up of this?
Are you getting content for this?
Yes.
Yay.
We're gonna. Oh, I mean, look at that.
Perfect egg. Every
Perfect
time.
call.
This is what we want.
You love everything, honestly.
How do I feel?
So good.
So good.
This is just what we need to start the day.
I know.
Every single item I put on the menu took me years to experience, to try.
Yeah. So what's your most popular dish?
Rama fried rice.
Really?
You gotta try it.
So that's the most popular dish.
Most
here.
of the popular dishes here.
And what's second?
The Rama fried rice is the best.
Yes.
The 72-hour chicken pho noodle is
Yes.
second.
Oh really?
Can't go wrong with these things.
This is my favorite.
That's Mum's favourite. Yeah.
I love it.
Cauliflower and cheese fritters. You cannot find this anywhere
No, you can't.
because this is my own recipe.
Is it your recipe?
Exactly.
Oh wow. Wow, you're amazing.
My grandma used to cook this for
I
me.
can do everything.
So pretty much whatever on the menu is based on my memory about my grandma. That is how I created this menu. So people come here that enjoy literally my grandma's cooking style.
So you brought a bit of your culture.
Not my culture, my memories,
Your memories.
my childhood.
Yes. This is amazing. She must have been such a cook. How's your breakfast going?
We enjoy it honestly. Today I'm not eating my breakfast. I'm testing my breakfast.
You're testing it, yes.
Yeah, I'm not sure everything is up to standard.
So this is one of your favorites.
No, this is one of my favorites.
Oh,
here.
this one is your favorite. Okay.
We got the same pick. So you have to take a spoon.
You gotta have the sauce, don't
The
you?
sauce over it.
Oh,
That is very important.
delicious. You do. Yum.
Here you go.
So
Try.
good. Thank you. This is my favorite. And it's so filling.
It's very filling too.
And it's so healthy.
Very healthy
Very,
too.
very healthy. Because you offer gluten-free options as well.
Exactly.
Which is, great for people. Different diet requirements.
Wow.
This is like being food critics.
I'm not a good food critic. I like food. Sauce is really good.
That makes it, doesn't it?
You want to try this? Well, I'm so lucky to be here. My name's Leah. I have an Instagram called Fly with Bluebell. I support women in aviation, and I've always eaten at Surfing Lizard. So I'm really grateful to be here and to have some amazing breakfast and with the owner.
Thank you.
So
Do you remember the lady always come here with a wheelchair? She's
Elsie?
94 years old. She was like coming like every single day
Yes, we would see her.
for the last 7 years.
Yeah.
Since I first opened,
Yes.
she's here even before me, the previous owner. Yeah.